Chief Electoral Officer ke Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari hine kesngi habakren sekelap petai kubor haka Jaka Niew vote Hamadan Pulu ula ong ba ula sngohun bat kijing pen kre abaro ke Jaka Niew vote haka jela ula ong ru baki don baro khat Leit li ke Jaka Niew vote prateli haslong bat santeli hatura ula pentip ru baki board district bat ki subdivision kila kami ke jing pahra bakan long ke bapaka Hakajuk Kapor Chief Secretary Uba DP Watlang hene kesngi ula Leit ki Jaka Niew vote ringkat bat u CEO RO bat kipulit. Habakren bat kila petai kubor uba Watlang ula penpau ya ke jing sngau scam ke jong u baka jing Niew ya ki vote kan long ka bayat bet yat renti la sya kesngi klem kinu ki jit pentut.
PC and 5 for the Tura PC. All 12 district and Swara civil subdivision. So all needful arrangement for the counting AC segment wise has already been made, and the counting arrangement for the postal ballots also been done in the RO constituency.
And I'm sure that the counting will be conducted effectively tomorrow starting at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Well, security measures
are adequate. I've just had a discussion with the SB of the district, and adequate quantum of force has been placed here. So we are satisfied with the arrangements.